Two of the most talked about AI tools in 2025, Jasper AI and DALL-E, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Jasper AI, versatile for creators and brands. On the right, DALL-E, the leader in realistic image generation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Okay, quick overview before we get wild. Here's a mind map of exactly what we're going to compare. We've got core use case, artistic controls and style, features and integrations, output quality, pricing, and ease of use and support. Got it? Cool. Let's jump in.
Starting off, let's talk about core use case. Jasper AI. It's actually like the Swiss Army knife for content creation. Does text, does images, plus it's loaded with brand voice and compliance tools, which is super handy for pros out there. The only thing is, it's not hyper-focused on realistic images, just so you know. Now, DALL-E. This is your absolute go-to for images. Period. If you can describe it, DALL-E can make it, and it's scarily good at turning prompts into high-quality visuals. But, yeah, it's only for images. So if you need anything else, not gonna happen. Honestly, both kill it at what they do, so this round is a tie.
Moving on, artistic controls and style. Jasper comes in swinging here. Pre-made art styles?
Yep. Want to make a bunch of images at once? Batch generation is a thing. The downside, though, it doesn't nail super photorealism like, say, an art gallery piece. Now, with DALL-E, the realism is off the charts. Seriously, detailed, nuanced, but, and this is where I gotta pause, it doesn't give you easy style presets or batch tools. You have to get creative with your prompts. So, if you want more control and faster results, Jasper takes this round.
Next up, features and integrations.
Jasper honestly goes all out. You get all sorts of templates for blogs, ads, socials, and it's even got SEO tools for you marketers out there. It's basically a hub with integrations for productivity and collaboration. The flip side, you might need a minute to figure out the advanced stuff. Def a learning curve if you're going deep. DALL-E, meanwhile, hangs out with ChatGPT. You get guided prompts where you kinda chat your way through the process. But if you need fancy connections, it's pretty much API only or sticking with ChatGPT. So, for features, Jasper comes out ahead. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Jasper Art can crank out a whole batch of images all at once using different preset styles? Meanwhile, DALL-E 3 is honestly insane for generating images that actually look real, even from super complex prompts. Think about what you could make with that.
Let's talk output quality now.
Jasper is honestly awesome for web visuals or branded marketing, stuff you want to push out fast for a business. But if you're after the kind of detail you'd hang on your wall or use in a design portfolio, it might not wow you. DALL-E? Dude, this thing is wild for photorealism and nuance. You get super accurate creative images. Plus, it respects IP and safety, so you can actually trust your results. You do need to get those prompts just right if you're after a certain style, though. Still, for quality, DALL-E wins this one.
Let's talk money.
Pricing. So, Jasper is super upfront with their plans. Perfect for serious users. But let's be totally honest. Starting at $39 a month means it's not exactly pocket change for casuals. Now, DALL-E actually lets you generate images even on the free ChatGPT tier, though you only get a few per month. Beyond that, pay-per-image pricing is pretty flexible, like 4 to 12 cents per image. No true unlimited option unless you're into API wizardry, but still, way cheaper if you're not making a ton. DALL-E scores here for affordability.
Ease of use and support.
Let's break it down. Jasper's UI is pretty modern and smooth, with templates and a dashboard that make onboarding fast. Still, complex workflows can feel, let's say, overwhelming at first. DALL-E, meanwhile, is super minimal. You're basically just typing into ChatGPT. Quick, but not a lot of custom controls. And if you like buttons and toggles, yeah, not many here. Jasper makes life easier overall, so it wins this category.
Let's take a look at the overall stats between Jasper AI and DALL-E side by side. You'll see Jasper's versatility really shines in categories like features and artistic control, while DALL-E is totally dominating realism and price. Pretty interesting trade-off, right?
So, here's my honest take. If you're a marketer, business, or just want a one-stop shop for all your written and visual content with some, let's say, bells and whistles, Jasper is the way to go. But if you're the kind of creative pro or designer who only cares about killer, realistic AI images, DALL-E is honestly your best bet. Both are awesome, but you gotta pick what matches your creative workflow. All right, time to decide. Are you leaning toward Jasper for content marketing and multi-format stuff? Or is DALL-E's cutting-edge image wizardry more your vibe? Seriously, think about what fits your projects best.